How's your frizz doing today, Grace?
I don't know. How's yours?
Honestly, pretty good.
Mine's pretty good too. Been
I
using
need a
some
little
good
more
products.
volume. I need to wash
You want
my
some
hair.
volume?
Here. I'll take some of yours, yes. Oh,
I love it.
so pretty.
Okay.
So today we're going to be showing you guys our best routine
Yeah.
for frizz-free hair. Which occasionally, obviously, sometimes we have frizzy.
It definitely happens, especially in the summer, especially with humidity.
Tennessee is so stinking humid. Like,
Honestly, I feel like I can breathe wrong and my curly hair gets really frizzy. So I'm going to tell you guys some of the stuff that I do. But
yeah, my hair is kind of wavy, so it's also very fine. So it kind of gets frizzy pretty quickly, especially in the summer if it's rainy or humid and all that nasty stuff. So we're both going to share little tips that work for our different textures. So stay tuned to keep watching.
Absolutely.
Or, no, that doesn't work. Stay tuned to
find out what we do. Love it. Okay, so I guess I'll start off since I have a million products that I like to use. So many, literally.
Mine are pretty simple.
Yeah. Well, she has like, I feel like she just rolls out of bed and her hair looks amazing. But anyway.
I definitely don't have curls.
Well,
But I wish I did. So pretty.
they're insane. Thank you though. You're sweet. So, obviously, it is super important to dry your hair well with curly hair. That is key for frizz. So I'm going to show you all some of the products that I'm using right now to dry my hair. One of which is the Moroccan Oil Curl Defining Cream. So this helps just smooth everything down, keeps it hydrated, and then defines the curls, obviously, like it says. I like to cocktail, kind of like, you know, mix them together with this guy. This is the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel. Long name, simple answer. It's a nice loose gel and it works really well. Definitely key in controlling frizz. If I had to dry my hair without gel, it would be a wreck. Like, I can't even, wow. I should do that sometime and like show y'all a picture. It would be a hot mess. So this is super important for me, especially in like humid times. I definitely notice when I don't use enough as well. So that's big. While I'm in the shower, I love to use this little guy. This is the Olaplex No.3, and this is a hair treatment. So you put this on before you wash your hair, which basically ends up being, you know, put it in, shave my legs, do my thing, shampoo it out. It's great. Share with us some things that you use.
I actually love this one as well, especially for dry or damaged hair. Coloring your hair obviously damages it. Processing it with different colors, whatnot, definitely adds damage and breakage to it. And my hair is also very dry, so I don't use this nearly as often as Grace does, just because, well, mainly because I'm lazy.
Curly hair gets so dry.
I do use it probably like 3 or 4 times a month. So it's great. I love it. I normally just let it sit on my hair. I normally dampen my hair and kind of just like do housework while it sits on my hair.
That's honestly really smart.
Since I do it less than Grace,
Yeah.
I'm like,
I mean, I've slept in it. Like, I've been like so lazy where I'll just like put it on my
I don't
hair,
have to make
and
it
I'm like,
count, you know what I'm saying?
like, exactly. I get
Yeah.
that way. So like, I'll just like put a shower cap on and
Yeah,
sleep
it's
in it.
so good. This stuff is literally liquid gold. It makes your hair so soft, so healthy. It bonds those ends together. It's awesome. So, love this. Honestly, one of my biggest things after I get out of the shower is I use the Olaplex No.6. This is the Bond Smoother. It adds shine and it also kind of smooths all of your hair down, especially for my frizzy hair. I have a little bit of a wave, but it's not quite curly, so it's just that awkward in between. So if I put gel in it, it just looks kind of funny, but then if I don't, I don't know. It's just, I have kind of in between hair. It's kind of funny. So this helps cut down on the frizz and make it more straight, which I love. I also cocktail, like Grace was saying. I will do the Olaplex Bonding Oil with the conditioning after I get out of the shower, and then I just let my hair air dry. Stopping blow drying my hair has been massively helpful. Blow drying my hair was one of the things that made it so frizzy. I mean, I would blow dry it and it would literally like, whew, like, ugh. And it was also putting extra heat and damage on my hair. So stopping blow drying my hair made a really big difference for me.
Which one of the perks to this little guide, the Olaplex No.7, is the fact that it is a heat protectant.
Yes.
So I do love that. I put it on when I'm styling my hair out as well, just so it can protect it from the heat of diffusing it. And then I know in Josie's case, she puts it on a lot of times when it's dry before she curls it.
I normally do before I curl it, and then my hair is so dry, I can do it morning and night. And if I'm not using this one, then I will use just the Argan Oil hair treatment just to kind of give my hair some hydration, help it not be so dry and crazy. I love that you're literally putting it in your hair right now.
Yeah, I mean, there's no better time, right? Yeah, I like this one as well. If your ends are looking really thirsty, they just look like thirsty. I like to take a little bit in my hands and kind of scrunch it in. It also helps with frizz. Again, this whole video trying to help you with frizz, but it's really great. It's one of those things that you're like, well, a little more wouldn't hurt. Okay, let me just
honestly, I can put a ton on my hair and literally like a couple hours later it's like gone. It like absorbs all into my hair because my hair's so dry.
Yeah.
And especially with longer hair, I feel like one of the biggest things people don't realize with longer hair is your natural oils are not going to the ends of your hair. From here down is not getting hydrated. So you have to apply oil to keep it healthy, or else it's going to continue to break and split and get dry and look nasty. It's not going to look smooth and shiny and beautiful. So especially if you have medium to long hair, so important to be hydrating it well.
I feel like she just needs like a mic drop there.
Whatever.
I love what she said.
I just like, I never, like when my hair was really long, no one ever told me that. I didn't know even until I like went to beauty school and figured out the anatomy of your hair and how your oils only make it a certain amount down into your hair, so it just kind of
I mean, like even gals, like when you wash your hair, you really only need to wash your scalp. I remember being a kid and like washing all my hair and then being like, wait, what? You're not supposed to do that? But they say wash your hair, not wash your scalp. So again, the oils don't travel down that far. You don't need to. So yeah, tip. But do you have any other products you want to share?
I don't think so. I honestly don't use a ton of products just because when it weighs my hair down, so I like to just that. I like to use as little products as possible. One, because I feel like it's going to be like better for my hair. I don't know. I'm in this place where I'm like, I want to be as healthy as possible. So I try to use a little amount of products, but these are the ones that have like really helped.
I try to be as healthy as possible, but sometimes you end up looking really healthy. This doesn't apply to Josie. She always looks phenomenal. I really think that she like is a model. But anyway, me, when I don't use all these products, look homeless. So I try to avoid that.
That's so not true. You always look great.
Okay, so these hairsprays. First of all, this one. I've shared it with y'all before. Let me see. Focus, please. Maybe? Okay. Anyway, it's the Kendra Dry Oil Control Spray. And it's number 14. It says on their new Tame Frizz. And I found that to be true. Good job, Kendra. You did not false advertise this time at least. Or anytime I've used her thing. But anyway, yeah, I love it. It smells amazing. It's really workable. So like if I put some on my hair, sorry, I'm like spraying in your face. If I put some on my hair, like it's not stiff or crunchy. Like I can still mess with it and play with it. But especially like my ends, sometimes like as the days go on, yeah, I'll really stop. Sorry, guys. I'm killing her over there. As the days go on, yeah, like the underneath starts to get frizzier and like wilt.
I think it's so funny. Me and you are very opposite. Like I never use hairspray. I'm just not a hairspray person. Unless I'm going to be like in a wedding and I'm like wanting my specific style to stay for 28 hours or something insane. I never use hairspray on my hair just because my texture is so opposite. So it's so important to find what the texture of your hair is and do what's best for your hair type, because different products are going to work for different hair types. Everyone's different. Everyone has different hair. So what works for Grace might not work for me, but hopefully what works for one of us will work for you.
Yeah.
So we hope this video was helpful, and do you have anything else you want to share?
I mean, no, I think it's hard, like it's good to find that line with hairspray is the last thing I'll say. Like I think sometimes
Grace needs it.
I really do.
A hairspray
I feel like I should be like the spokeswoman for hairspray, but at the same time, like it can be super drying because there's a lot of alcohol in some hairsprays, and so I have found my hair really like damaged in the past because I've been overusing it or using the wrong kind and things like that. So making sure I am doing those deep conditioning treatments as well as like using this light hold hairspray and things like that has really been kind of the perfect balance for me. But yeah, how crazy, like we're so different. Like literally she puts hairspray in and it like ruins her hair, and if I don't put hairspray in, like it ruins my hair. Crazy how that works. But y'all, both sides are here for you. We got you.
We hope that you can learn something from one of our hair types, and hopefully one of our tips or tricks will help you out. And yeah, let us know if you enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. It helps us so much, and we appreciate you guys more than you know. We love y'all so much.
Thanks. Bye.